Wow, what a day in the cricket. I wish it hadn't rained because that would have been a great ending tonight. But now we got to wait till tomorrow. We need 35, I think they need 3 wickets. It's going to be an interesting one tomorrow. Root and Brook did so well to get us in with a chance of winning it. It's a shame that shower came down because I would have liked to see the conclusion today because it's really tense. But I'll be watching tomorrow and going out for lunch with a mate, so hopefully it'll be done by then. But let's see. Also watched some of the Formula One, but I didn't watch the end because the cricket was getting tense.